Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you my recipe for simple carrot cake. Let's get started. First thing you should to do is preheat oven at 350 Fahrenheit 180 degree. Next next thing you have to prepare the baking tray. You can use square or any kind. I use this one. Paint a little oil and sprinkle some flour. The next part is the dry ingredients. I have taken here 2 cups of wheat flour, add in 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of zest lemon, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla powder, and half teaspoon of salt. So I add all the dry ingredients to the flour and mix it well. We need 1.5 cups of shredded carrots, half cup of chopped dates. You can use any kind of nuts you want. I put it on the carrots. And I mix well. Now add 2 tablespoons of flour and mix it well. After that we need 2 eggs. We mix it well. We add cup of sugar. You reduce the amount if you don't want a very sweet cake. And mix again. Add 1 cup of oil and half cup of milk. And mix everything together. The liquid ingredients are ready and the dry ingredients are ready as well. Now we have to mix them both. After we mix it, the ingredients well, we add the carrots and again mix carefully into the bottom. It's time to spread it into the baking tray. Spread it as much as possible. we bake the cake at 350 Fahrenheit, 180 Celsius for 35 minutes. Maybe you need more or less depending on the oven. So let's see how the cake looks now. This is how it looks. It's very soft and it has a very nice smell of cinnamon. To make sure that the cake is completely cooked, just insert a knife, and if it comes out clean like this, it means that the cake is completely cooked. Let the cake cool about 10 minutes before you remove it. Place on plates. We decorate with some sugar powder. And some cinnamon. Now the cake is ready. Let it completely cool before you serve it. Now I cut a piece to show you how it looks. So this is how the carrot cake looks. It's so soft. I hope that you enjoy and you find it easy to try. Thank you for watching. See you next time.